The verdict came at the end of a frenetic 8-hour trial, and it wasn't the one Harry Maguire or his family were hoping for.
Alan, you must be disappointed with how that's gone.
His dad, Alan, leaving court dejected after the Manchester United captain was found guilty of assault, resisting arrest, repeated verbal abuse and repeated attempts of bribery. Alan's other son, Joe Maguire, was also found guilty of assault, verbal abuse and repeated attempts of bribery. Maguire wasn't in court for his trial. Instead, Alan filed past photographers at the start of proceedings and watched from the front row. The witnesses came thick and fast, and as the day progressed, it didn't look good for Harry Maguire. The prosecution claimed that while he was under arrest, Harry Maguire said, "Do you know who I am? I'm the captain of Manchester United. I'm very rich. I can give you money. I can pay you. Please let us go." Police claimed they intervened in a scuffle. They said the Englishmen did not calm down. One of the defendants said "F the police." One of the defendants punched an officer. Maguire's defence said the incident started when 2 Albanian men approached his sister Daisy. They said they injected her with something and she immediately fainted.
Harry Maguire's lawyers didn't even want this case to go ahead today. They called for an adjournment. They then called for the prosecution witnesses to be thrown out of court. The judge denied that, but it's been incredibly heated. At one point, the judge slamming his hand on the desk as he tried to bring some sense of order to the court.
Maguire's childhood friend Ashton Morley paced the corridors nervously as he waited to be called to the stand. He said the group didn't know the plainclothes officers were police. He said they were afraid of being robbed or kidnapped. But the judge wasn't convinced and handed Harry Maguire a 21-month and 10-day suspended prison sentence. The prosecution were victorious, but still angry.
A sportsmanlike conduct is, if you've done something wrong, which can happen, we understand that, you say you're sorry and you ask for an apology. Till today, we have not heard a single apology from his party, and this is what angers us more than everything else.
It may have been going downhill in Greece, but back home, Harry Maguire was given full backing by Gareth Southgate, the England manager selecting the defender for his upcoming Nations League squad while the trial was still ongoing. But with the verdict came a U-turn. Suddenly, Maguire was dropped, perhaps the biggest punishment of all. There was no doubt about who the losing side was here. Maguire's defence lawyer tight-lipped, but clearly frustrated.
Excuse me, Alexis, can we just have a quick word?
No comments.
Did you feel hard done by? It seemed to travel very quickly, that case.
Harry Maguire says he will appeal this decision, but the damage to his reputation is likely to stay with him long after this legal battle ends. Martha Kellner, Sky News, Syros.